Hi, my name is David LaMotte. I'm president of LaMotte Company. I want to welcome you here. We're a developer and manufacturer of portable testing equipment for water analysis. The company was started by my grandfather almost 100 years ago after World War I in 1919. We were the first company in the United States making portable test equipment for water. Virtually everything that we sell is manufactured here in Chestertown, Maryland, where we have our research and development facilities and all our manufacturing. Our marketing and sales team is all based here.
My name is Richard LaMotte. I'm the Director of Marketing and Sales here at LaMotte Company, and I've been really pleased with what the commercial service group has done for us because we have now been able to really keep this company busy year-round. In the past, we've had some seasonal products, especially in our recreational water area, that really you could not do much selling after September through April. And so now we can get year-round profitability thanks to a much larger piece of the market that we have.
And we've been working with the commercial service. They've helped us with the gold key, line up dealers in targeted countries that we then interview and select.
We sell below the equator to some areas like in Australia and South America that are really booming for us right now due to some key new products that we have.
My name is Richard Rogers. I'm the Director of International Service for the LaMotte Company. We have worked with the commercial service before. We worked with them in Vietnam. We used the Gold Key program that was very effective. They provided us with a very detailed list of companies to speak with. They were right there with us through thick and thin. So I was real pleased and quite impressed with their products and how they delivered it to us. So looking forward, would I recommend the commercial service to anyone else? Of course I would. I think I would not hesitate to recommend it to both professional colleagues and certainly to those who are contemplating using or going into the field of international trade and need a real trusted partner and a pathfinder.